how have you been? Welcome back to my channel, Confipreneur DK. And thank you so much for an amazing responses received on the very first episode of this storytellings. For you guys, I am doing it for you teens, teenagers. Thank you so much for such amazing response. And thank you for your love and support. So in the first episode, I received a lot of information, a lot of comments and compliments. And one of the thing which came up that I should introduce a little more about myself. So here it is who I am. So let's talk about me for a minute and then we go back to our next story for today. I am Confipreneur DK, as you can see it on the channel name. My name is Devinder Kaur. I call myself Confipreneur, or a very specific new name I have come up with. I call myself Con Baron. What is Con Baron? Google it, you won't find it. It is invented by me. So Con Baron is, Con in abbreviation for confidence, Baron is nothing but lord or a queen. Yes, I am queen of confidence and so do you. Because everyone has that kind of confidence level. It is only matter of recognizing it. So let's make a team of Con Barons. Let's make a community of Con Barons, of all the youth, all the new generations who are coming up. You all can become Con Baron with me. Coming back. So here I am, and with this next story for today. The second story, as we had talked about it, the stories are of Tenali Raman, who was a very witty, however intelligent, and knowledgeable person, who from a very carefree, vagabond village boy had reached out to levels of becoming Ashtadigajas in 8th pillar of a royal court of Vijayanagar, the Emperor Krishnadeva Raya. So let's hear it, what our next story talk about. And the story is The Prodigy. Kids, before start of this story, a very important piece of information. People who have missed the last story, which had lots of knowledge, cracks and hacks, you should go and check out the last story where it talks about more about what the Tenali Rama was. So this story in Prodigy, I would be talking something very unique, negative attribute usually we all carry, and we don't even realize it, we don't even notice it, and we don't even kill it when the time it is. So हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं हम बहुत अच्छी बातें ही बात करते रहें. इस एपिसोड में एक ऐसी नेगेटिव एट्रीब्यूट या ऐसी एक छुपी हुई बुराई जो हम सब में पाई जाती है, उसको बाहर निकालने की कोशिश करूँगी. सो दैट नेगेटिव एट्रीब्यूट या वो ऐसी कमी तेनाली में नहीं थी, तेनाली जिससे मिला उसमें थी. इस स्टोरी के थ्रू आइए जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. तेनाली का एक दोस्त था, राजमौली. सो बोथ तेनाली रामा एंड राजमौली used to play in the village Tumuluru in Tenali. That was a village name. And once both of them actually went to one of a very well-off, well-known personality of the village that point in time. He was a landlord, and he was very snobbish and an arrogant personality. His name was Nagendra Rao. तो जब इंसान के पास बहुत पैसा हो जाता है, कई बार उसकी अकड़ इतनी ज़्यादा हो जाती है कि वो अपने सामने किसी को कुछ समझता नहीं. So when Nagendra Rao met both these people, these kids, Rajmouli went and explained about Tenali Rama. He was very fascinated by his friend. So how Rajmouli tells Nagendra that, so sir, this boy is Tenali Raman. He is simply genius. Rajmouli was trying to tell Nagendra that I have never seen a brighter boy than him. And he has answered to everything. ये आपको किसी भी बात का कोई भी जवाब आराम से दे सकता है. He is so intelligent. अब Nagendra Rao obviously was not delighted to take this statement because he never thought that somebody else is better than him. As I have already told, Nagendra was an arrogant, akkad wala ek insan or snobbish kind of personality. So he looked through Tenali up till down and glaring at him. And he said, is it he doesn't look to be that intelligent? Anyways, even if he is intelligent, by the time an intelligent boy is grown up to a man, he becomes dull and gloomy. Whoa, 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 that was a big statement. What Nagendra was trying to tell him, that even if you try to prove yourself to be intelligent right now, by the time you grow a little older into a man, you will become dull and gloomy. There comes the response of Tenali now. And what was the response? And Tenali says, "Is that true, sir? So that means you as a boy would have been more intelligent than me." Did you get it? Yes. So Tenali gave back same statement, same thought process back to Mr. Nagendra Rao without speaking anything wrong. He said that अगर मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ और आगे जाके डल एंड ग्लूमी होने वाला हूँ, तो आप अपने बचपन में मुझसे कहीं ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होगे। इसका मतलब आप डल एंड ग्लूमी हो गए हैं। अपनी स्टेटमेंट खुद ही पर। माई गॉड, दैट प्राइड हैज़ गिवन हिम बैक ऑन इट्स ओन टू नागेंद्र राव। उस प्राइड के साथ आगे बढ़ना, किसी के साथ कोई भी कम्युनिकेशन करना, we need to be damn conscious. We need to be sure how we need to go ahead with pride. What we learned out of this story, couple of things, but very impactful. The very first thing, truly greats are always humble. They would tell or speak exactly what they know. They don't boast unnecessarily. जब आप सच में कुछ हो, आप जो हो वो दिख जाता है, आपको कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. They know how little they know. They don't need to show off or boast about it. So make sure we are so intelligent enough that we become so humble that you don't need to talk about it. And the second thing which I kept talking about it again and again and again was pride. Ahankar is a root cause of all your harms. अपनी किसी भी problems की जड़ कहीं अहंकार तो नहीं? Please check that out, because pride is the bottom of all great mistakes, which makes anyone silly and it looks anyone silly. You can get insulted, you can get into wrong formats, you can get into wrong situations with that pride, that ahankar. Watch that out, because there is a very little thin line difference between ahankar, pride or self-respect. What you're thinking as a self-respect may not be self-respect, or you're showing up some pride to someone. And man can get better only if the person or whoever, kid or becoming elder, you need to guard yourself from your own pride. Very important. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you liked this story. It was a short one and a very cute one. It needs to know where are we leading to, and we need to really work on it side by side. Please do watch the last story as well. It had a lot of things. This story talks about two things. Let's work this out on a daily life, and request you to kindly like and subscribe the channel so that the whole series is there with you. Every week we'll talk together. We are going to come up with the next story next week, and it's an amazing story. It says Rendezvous with King Raya. Let's watch it out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel so that you can keep listening to all these stories and keep enjoying the same. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.